Hi, I'm Jonathan Hankin, and welcome to my channel, Change Agent Leadership. I'm a certified executive coach and a vice president of operation who's walked through the highs and lows of leadership just like you, still leading teams, navigated burnout in the last several years, managed more change than I would have thought ever possible. And most important, I help leaders discover who they are and what they're capable of. And that's what this channel is all about. I help leaders like you lead with clarity, courage, and confidence. Whether you're leveling up your career, trying to turn the team culture around, or just tired of going through the motions, this channel's for you. So, what will you find? Practical how to videos that give you tools that you can use right away, leadership coaching insights to help you grow your influence and your self awareness, podcast episodes featuring strategies from top leadership books and real conversations about leading well in today's world, and downloadable resources that go deeper so you don't just watch, you actually change. Every video is built around one goal, helping you lead yourself and others through meaningful, lasting change. So if you're a leader who's ready to grow or developing into a leader with more responsibilities, go ahead and subscribe because leadership isn't about having all the answers. It's about asking the right questions, doing the real work, showing up, and balancing your desire for results and your employees' need for belonging. I'm Jonathan Hankin, your change agent coach. Let's grow together and let's lead positive change.